Discover unparalleled waste management solutions with Anna's Dumpster Rental in the heart of Old North Dayton, Ohio. At Anna's, we redefine the dumpster rental experience, offering a symphony of options tailored to your needs. Initiating the rental process is a breeze. A swift call to 937-704-3069 sets the wheels in motion for efficient delivery. From waste disposal to maintaining an organized and effective service, Anna's Dumpster Rental is your partner in creating a seamless and stress-free waste management experience. At Anna's Dumpster Rental, we transcend the ordinary, making waste disposal an art form. Our dedicated team stands ready to assist you in selecting the ideal dumpster size, ensuring a tailored and hassle-free rental journey. In Old North Dayton, we pride ourselves on providing bins and curating an experience where convenience meets affordability. The intricacies of your project will be easy with our comprehensive services. Dial 937-704-3069 to dive into a world where Anna's Dumpster Rental sets the standard for excellence in dumpster rental in Old North Dayton. Our website, annasdumpsterservice.com, is more than a portal, it's a digital concierge, simplifying your dumpster rental experience. Explore our transparent pricing structure, discover the perfect container for your needs, and make reservations with unparalleled ease. Anna's Dumpster Rental in Old North Dayton isn't just a service, it's a commitment to redefining waste management, one bin at a time.